Thinking back, realizing every time I come here, I see some familiar faces. And y'all always make me feel at home. I'd like to say thank you, but I feel that's not a strong enough. He held the register open while he counted the change. I was next in line, which meant I wasn't visible. From where I stood, I could see that the till was full. He didn't look the type to play superhero. I stepped forward and paid for my cigarettes. Crept out the store's front door to chase a little breath. The bangles in my head, shake the song off. Another manic Monday night, it's gonna be a long walk. Car pulls up, a tricked out cutlass. A woman and a child climbed out, but left it running. They wait inside of the deli, placed an order with that extra $1.50 bottled water, cause the daughter's picky. They came out and mama gave me a glance. Said man can love an angel, but he's gotta take the chance. Already knew the deal, I lit one up and walked. They got back in their Oldsmobile, belted up and took off. Young love on the corner at the Walgreens, looking at me like I'm just another square saltine. As I get closer, I notice they showing each other sketches out of their notebooks, reminding me of my old roots. I walk past with a nod and a reminisce. These comic books and hip-hop, that's the genesis. Respect the life and the fashion of the children. It's the only culture we've got, exactly what we've been building. All of a sudden, I'm in front of some man, but he's a youngin', but he's got a gun in his hand. He looks 15, he looks frantic, he looks afraid. I'm immediately apprehensive till I heard him say, do you want this? It's not mine, I promise. I found it on my block in between two garages. Didn't want to leave it for a kid to stumble over. I don't even know how to... It was a 38, poor man's machete. I held it in my hand, thinking, damn man, it's heavier than expected. Wedged it behind the belt buckle, knowing that it's evil. I know that I can smell trouble. Extra strength, so weak. Over there on that corner, saw what I needed and proceeded to cross the street. I put the gun in the sky. Texas, put your gun in the sky, hold it up high. Mosey down the road, thinking about the old. I used to roam that zone in 2 feet of snow. Right there, that used to be a record shop. I've gotten love, I've gotten drunk, I've gotten beat up in that parking lot. I've had my Lake Street ride for 3 decades. These alleyways and these street lights have seen my best days. Before the germ learned how to misbehave, all the way to the grave. Southside, took a right on Lindale, getting near. Road became empty and the people disappeared. Clouds ran away and opened up the sky. One by one I watched each constellation die. There I am frozen, standing in my backyard, face to face, eye to eye, staring at the last star. Should've known, walked all the way home to find that you wasn't here. I was still all alone. No matter where I am, no matter what I do, I'm always coming back home to you. Leave me for dead or take away my truth, I'm always coming back home to you. From the lies and the sins that ride the wind that blew, I'm always coming back home to you. As sure as the life in the stomach that you grew, I'm always coming back home to you. No matter where I am and no matter what the fuck I do, I'm always coming back